Hey, good morning. Welcome to John's Jeep Garage. I got a video today, very quick video. It's about something that everybody assumes that people know how to do. I've even had questions about this, so I just said, hey, let's just put it together. It's about windshield wiper fluid. It's actually harder to say windshield wiper fluid than it is to actually fill it. But let me show you, and we'll be done very quick. Thanks. So there are many varieties at the store. Don't buy the expensive stuff if you don't need to. Just get the regular stuff. Pretty much this is the bug removal one. You have to open it. There's a little aluminum seal on top. For those of you who've never done it, just peel that off so you can get a good pour. One of the things that you have to do is locate specifically where it goes. It's on the driver's side on the corner. No, not the engine coolant. It's next to it. Make sure it says washer fluid only. That's pretty much the only critical step. Just open up the cap. If you need a funnel, use a funnel. If you think you have good hand-eye coordination, go ahead and pour it in. And just fill it up. And then one thing you need to do is look for the fill line. The fill line is usually just underneath the cap area, or there's a slight change in the way the container is formed. Just don't overfill it. Seal it back and get ready to go. It's time to celebrate. Thank you. This was a quick one.